What's up guys, Derek Soares of Photo Portal back with a quick little video. Is it okay to do videos for free or photography for free? Now, it's been like at least maybe 6 years, 7 years that I've been doing this professionally. And often what we hear other photographers say is people don't understand the amount of work that goes in and what it's worth. And when you say the price is this, or the price is $1,000, or the price is $2,000, like, wow, $2,000 for pictures. But here's the thing, you guys gotta understand, when you're starting out, you can't just go out and throw out those prices. Yes, don't sell yourself short. You are worth a certain amount of money. But what I find, and what I believe truly, is you are worth the experience you have gained throughout the years. So you can't just start off your photography career and say, I'm worth this, I am up here, this is what it is. You can't necessarily do that because a lot of these photographers, it takes years to get to where they are. So you are worth the experience you have gained throughout your journey. So me, when I started out, I would highly suggest you guys do the same thing. You see, when I started out, I got a lucky break where another photographer got offered a job, and it was a small paying job, and he had other contracts, other things going on. So I decided, yeah, sure, I'll do it. It was a small contract, a small budget for a video for a town, and it was $300. And for me, $300 at the time was good. It's not a huge pay whatsoever. It is very, very, very low down on the video theme of things, especially for the amount of filming in one day that was needed and the amount of editing afterwards that had to take place. So it was very low budget. But here's the thing, that very low budget contract that I took on, okay, at the beginning of my journey, that one contract got me 16 other contracts. And I'm not lying, I'm not over exaggerating. I got 16 other contracts plugged from that first little contract. And sure, now I'm able to charge what I charge today because of the experience that I have learned. I can go into a contract confidently, knowing what I know, knowing what I've been through, knowing how to fix a problem on the spot. When you first start out, you don't have that experience. You're gonna get yourself stuck in a situation and you don't know what to do. With experience, with time, with practice, you get to a certain spot, something happens and you know the quick response, okay, well, I'll just do this instead. No choice, it's what it's gonna be, and it's what I gotta do. So I would highly suggest, if you are starting out in photography or in video, do a couple of free projects. Do a couple of free projects, get your foot in the door, and then go from there, okay? You could also, you're helping out somebody, you can find a friend that you know that maybe has a business, do something for them for free. Also, I did do another project at one point that I did for free. I was going to my local barber, which I haven't been in a while, you could tell, and I started a friendship with the barber. And then I mentioned to him that I also do pictures and I also do video and everything. And I asked when could I just come in and maybe film something. So I went in, I filmed a little something, he saw it, he liked what he saw. And then eventually I got a paid video contract with him at one point after that. And there was another time I just showed up with a camera and I started randomly, I asked him, could I take pictures? And then I was asking the people that, his clients, if they minded me just hovering around, snapping some shots. And it was just for me, just to get a portfolio with different projects. And that one, to this day, is one of my most, one of my greatest accomplishments that like I see regularly. What happened was, he took one of those pictures and he got it printed huge, and it's on the window. It is the whole window outside the barbershop. And that was just like, it's something that I see regularly when I go into town. And every time I see it, I'm like, I'm on the right track. I feel like I'm doing something right, you know? And it's one of those things to see your picture huge, you know, the size of a window. And all of that came from a free project. Just me offering and showing what I could do. Nobody knows what you could do if you don't show nobody, if you don't offer somebody. If you're just sitting there and you're like, yeah, you know, you're secretly good with a camera, you're secretly trying to become a photographer and you don't tell nobody because you're waiting for people to show up at your door, say, hey, I want to pay you to, it doesn't work like that. You got to make a name for yourself, and that's what I've been trying to do. And all of these things started with a couple of free projects or low paying projects. And then word of mouth kind of just picks up, guys. You know, that project that you did or those photos that you did for your friend, who took those pictures? Oh, this guy. And then boom, 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 and you just keep going. So I would highly suggest, if you're starting out, don't be scared to start out and do something for free. Do those free projects, get the confidence, get what you need to build yourself a reputation, okay? Practice makes perfect. So you're doing these free videos or you're doing these free photos, okay? It's practice for you. You take them 100% seriously. Your friends or the person that you offered this to will gladly take it and will post it if they find it good enough, which they usually do, okay? Because a lot of companies will go ahead and small companies go ahead and post a picture taken with their cell phone. So if you can go in and offer better than that, then they'll go for it. From time to time, I'll go in and I'll buy something from a grocery store and I'll just try to make a video around that product just for myself. I never post them or anything like that, but just for myself, so that the day comes when somebody does offer me a contract for a product, I got a bunch of ideas and I know what I did on the last time that I could just use it again in this video. And always go out there and watch other YouTubers and pick up something maybe from this video, maybe not the whole piece, but there's a little part of that video that you like, and you throw it into your own project and you change things a little bit and make it your own and put it all together. And that's what it's all about. You shouldn't be looking at other photographers like they are your competitors and they are enemies. They are this community of photographers and videographers. They should all work together and find the best person in each field to do a certain project. You know, small paying little budget contract that I did, I still do videos with them, and it's one whole big family. It's one whole big community that I got involved with, and it's so fun to do those projects. And that all started from a little small project, and that little small project slowly helped me build my name, and I'm able to get, you know, referred by other people, and that's what it's all about. And when you're doing these projects, really give it your all. Even if it is a free project, put in 100% and you will just open up the doors to opportunities. Just getting paid a small amount of money makes you feel good, but you know, if you're doing these projects for free, it's the end result that really makes you feel good about yourself. When people are telling you this is good, you're really onto something. Keep up the good work and you boost your confidence, and you're gonna practice at the same time, and you got your foot in the door, and that's what counts. Derek Soares, Photo Portal. Thanks guys.